Associate Director Commodities and Currencies at Angel Commodities. Good morning, Naveen. Good to have you with us. Well, first up, your strategy on crude itself.
Thank you very much, and nice talking to you, Lata. I think, as you rightly pointed out, that there is some uptick bringing up for the crude prices. We expect the prices to move up on the forecasts of the PIRA, closely watched energy group, and even the Russia's military movement with Syria may create some geopolitical premium to the oil prices. Hence, over the last couple of days, we have seen the prices moving up. Yesterday, the WTI prices moved up by around 3.4%, and India too, we witnessed somewhere around 2% downfall, although because of the rupee factor. But I think overall the strategy remains to be bullish for the crude oil, and we would recommend the buying of the MCX to be initiated at around 3180 to 3190 levels. Stop loss recommended for this trade would be at around 3120, Lata, and targets on the upside can be seen in a range of around 3280 or so.
All right. Naveen, hi, good morning. Ahead of the festive season, there's been some demand that has returned back into the gold space. You have a buy on MCX gold today?
Yeah, that's right. The MCX gold December contract can be bought in at around 26,300. It's currently trading right now at around 26,400 or so. So buy on the dips at around 300, 350 levels. 26,100 would be the stop loss, and targets on the upside can be seen in a range of around 26,600. The positive factor for the gold would be the decline, the kind of poor economic data we saw in the U.S. Over recent week, and which shows kind of a dim outlook, grim outlook towards the economy. So I think overall the fundamental factors remain slightly bullish for gold, but rupee would be a critical factor. If it appreciates, we may see the prices at around 25,500.
Okay, yeah, at the moment it's playing a spoiler by being very strong. Very quickly, copper?
Buy copper, Lata, for the November MCX contract at around 337, 338, stop loss 334, and target at around 344, 345 for the day.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us. Well, those are some commodity strategies to work with in trade this morning. But now let's talk about